after you turn off the Bluetooth, but still it's searching for the devices on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I'll show you how you need to fix. So just swipe down here. You usually just click this, and after this you think it's turned off when the blue color goes off, but actually it doesn't. So if you open the settings and Bluetooth, here you can see it's still turned on and still searching for the devices. So you need to come to settings and toggle this off. Now you can see the Bluetooth option was tracked out. So this is actually how you need to turn off your Bluetooth completely. If you want to turn on, just click that. Now it's off. If you want to turn off, it's like standby mode. When you see the white color, it's standby mode. It's not completely turned off. It's just disconnected. So you need to come to settings and toggle this off. So this is how properly you need to turn off your Bluetooth on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.